Would you like a sweet breakfast that tastes delicious, boosts your energy, and supercharges your gut? Then this video is for you. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. My name is Oksana. I'm a registered nurse and a natural wellness coach, and this is my cooking channel. Wait, did I really say cooking, not nursing? Yes, I really said cooking because you really don't need nursing care if you turn food into your best medicine, but only if you know some secrets. Like my video and subscribe to my channel to become a part of the inner circle. Let's start sharing the secret. Shh! I'm making a sweet smoothie for your gut, and it calls for 5 ingredients. Oh wait, actually there's 7. Today we're making a sweet smoothie for your gut, and it calls for these 6 ingredients. Oh, well, there's actually 7. I forgot about water. We have sweet cherries, wild blueberries. It has to be wild. You can buy them frozen. Regular blueberries or not even real blueberries. Mango, banana, spirulina, and chia. Before we combine all of these in a blender, you have to do one important thing. You gotta activate chia by soaking it for at least 30 minutes in water. Mine is pre-soaked already. Let's talk about what makes this smoothie for your gut. You look at this mango. This is the only one I've got. I'm gonna have to cut a lot of it out. Oh well. While bacteria in your gut loves every single ingredient in this recipe, what makes the most profound effect on your gut is spirulina. Let's add all the ingredients to a blender, and then I'll tell you about spirulina. You want about 1.5 to 2 cups of water, depending if you're making it for 1 person or 2. 1 cup of wild blueberries. I should have taken a spoon for that. That's okay. A cup of sweet cherries. 1 mango. I was able to save a bit. 1 feisty banana. 1 full banana. Your chia. And finally, spirulina. Actually, you know what? Let's add it later. I want you to see how it's going to change the color of the smoothie. Spirulina is a seaweed that is considered to be a superfood for one single reason. It is a one-stop shop for all building materials your body needs. Imagine you go to Costco and instead of buying 100 items on a shopping list, you buy just one that takes care of all of your 100 needs. Cool, right? Adding spirulina to your daily diet will help you regulate your gut, constipation, diarrhea, bloating, leaky gut, depression. Yes, you heard me right, depression, because 90% of your happy hormone is produced in your gut. Let's add spirulina now and watch how the color is gonna change. If you want to know how to select the best spirulina, watch this video right here. Breakfast is ready, let's give it a taste. I got champagne glasses. This is our morning mimosa. Much healthier than mimosa. Cheers. So good. I can feel every cell of my body thanking me for it. Healing is all about recharging your body with the right type of fuel and love. Please let me know what you want me to cook next.